What if I told you that the answer to younger looking, firmer, tighter arms has been sitting in your bathroom cabinet this entire time and it costs less than $2? Most people spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on anti-aging creams, spa treatments and procedures that promise to turn back the clock on sagging, wrinkled arm skin. But tonight before you go to sleep, all you need is literally 1 drop of Vaseline, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, why it works on a biological level, and what combinations will supercharge its effects. Stay with me, because what you are about to learn in the next 20 minutes could completely change the way you look at skincare forever. Let us start by understanding the real reason your arm skin starts to wrinkle and sag in the first place, because if you do not understand the root cause, no remedy in the world is going to make a lasting difference. The skin on your arms is some of the most exposed skin on your entire body. Every single day it faces UV radiation from the sun, friction from clothing, temperature changes, wind and dry air. But the deeper problem is what is happening beneath the surface. Your skin is made up of several layers, and the ones that matter most for firmness and elasticity are the dermis, where collagen and elastin fibers live. Collagen is essentially the scaffolding of your skin. It is what keeps it plump, smooth and tight. Elastin is what allows your skin to snap back into place when you pinch it or stretch it. As you age, your body produces less and less of both of these proteins. By the time most people reach their 30s, collagen production has already started to decline. By their 40s and 50s, the visible effects become undeniable. Loose skin on the upper arms, crepey texture, fine lines that seem to multiply overnight, and that soft hanging quality that makes so many people feel self-conscious about wearing short sleeves. Now here is something that the skincare industry does not want you to dwell on for too long. The vast majority of expensive anti-aging creams and serums contain molecules that are far too large to penetrate the deeper layers of the skin, where collagen and elastin actually live. They sit on the surface, they provide temporary moisture, and they create the illusion of smoother skin, but they are not actually doing the deep work. Vaseline, on the other hand, works differently, and the science behind it is genuinely fascinating. Vaseline is a petroleum jelly, which means its main component is petrolatum. Petrolatum is an occlusive agent, which is a term you need to understand because it is the key to everything. An occlusive agent works by forming a semi-permeable barrier on top of the skin. This barrier does not block everything, it still allows your skin to breathe, but what it does is dramatically reduce what dermatologists call transepidermal water loss, or TEWL. Every night while you sleep, your skin loses moisture through evaporation. This is completely natural, but over time, chronic moisture loss is one of the leading contributors to the degradation of skin texture and the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. When you apply that 1 drop of Vaseline before sleep, you are essentially creating a protective seal that traps the moisture already present in your skin and keeps it working for you throughout the night. But wait, there is more to this story, because the occlusive effect of petrolatum is only the beginning. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Human growth hormone levels rise. Cellular regeneration accelerates, and your skin begins actively repairing the damage it sustained during the day. This is why your skincare routine before bed is scientifically more impactful than anything you do in the morning. By creating that moisture barrier with Vaseline, you are ensuring that your skin cells have the hydrated environment they need to carry out this repair work as efficiently as possible. Dehydrated skin cells are sluggish cells. They cannot regenerate as quickly, they cannot produce as much collagen, and they cannot defend themselves against further damage. Well-hydrated skin cells, on the other hand, are metabolically active and far more capable of renewing themselves. So while you sleep, that thin layer of Vaseline is quietly allowing your body to do what it is already programmed to do. It is just letting it do it better. Now let us talk about the exact technique, because how you apply this matters just as much as the fact that you apply it at all. First, timing is everything. You want to apply Vaseline as the very last step in your nighttime routine, not the first. Before you reach for the Vaseline, you should cleanse your arms with warm water and a gentle cleanser. This removes the day's accumulated dead skin cells, pollutants and oils that could otherwise be trapped under the occlusive barrier where they might cause congestion. After cleansing, while your skin is still slightly damp, not dripping wet, but just barely moist, this is when you apply the Vaseline. The reason you do this while the skin is still slightly damp is that Vaseline by itself does not add moisture to the skin. I want to be very clear about this because it is a common misconception. Petrolatum is not a humectant. It does not pull water into the skin from the air. What it does is seal in the moisture that is already there. So if you apply it to completely dry skin, you are just sealing in dryness. If you apply it to slightly damp skin, you are locking in that hydration and giving yourself a significant advantage. Take one small drop, and I really do mean small, about the size of a pea, and warm it between your fingertips for a few seconds. This makes it much easier to spread evenly. Then apply it in long, gentle strokes along your upper arm, focusing particularly on the area from the elbow to the shoulder, which is where crepey skin and sagging tend to be most pronounced. Use upward strokes whenever possible, working against gravity in gentle lifting motions. This is not just a feel-good tip, it actually encourages lymphatic drainage and helps reduce any fluid retention in the tissue that can contribute to that puffy, loose appearance. You do not need to rub vigorously. In fact, aggressive rubbing or pulling at the skin is counterproductive because it creates microtrauma in the skin fibres over time. Think of it as the gentlest possible touch, barely more than a whisper against the skin. Let the warmth of your hand do the work of helping the petrolatum spread. Now, if you really want to accelerate your results, and I know you do, there is a combination technique that takes the basic Vaseline method and turns it into something far more powerful. Before you apply the Vaseline, use a humectant moisturizer on your arms first. A humectant is the opposite of an occlusive. It actively draws moisture from the air and from the deeper layers of the skin toward the surface. The most well-known humectants are glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. If you have a simple glycerin-based lotion or an aloe vera gel, apply a thin layer of that to your slightly damp arms first. Give it 30 to 60 seconds to absorb and do its job of drawing moisture upward. Then on top of that, apply your thin layer of Vaseline. What you have just created is what skincare experts call the moisture sandwich technique, and it is genuinely one of the most effective non-invasive methods for combating dry, crepey, aging skin. The humectant draws the moisture in, and the petrolatum seals it there for hours. Your skin will feel profoundly different by morning, softer, plumper, and visibly smoother even after just the first application. Let us also talk about what else you can mix with Vaseline to create targeted treatments for arm skin. One of the most effective additions is pure vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that has been used in skincare for decades. Its primary function in the skin is to neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules generated by sun exposure, pollution, and normal metabolic processes that attack and break down collagen fibers. When you add just 2 or 3 drops of vitamin E oil to a small amount of Vaseline and mix them together on your fingertip before applying, you are adding a layer of antioxidant protection on top of the moisture locking benefit. Studies have shown that consistent topical application of vitamin E can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve overall skin texture over time. It also has a slight thickening effect on the skin that can make the upper arm look and feel more toned and firm. Another incredible combination is Vaseline mixed with a few drops of rosehip seed oil. Rosehip oil is naturally rich in tretinoin, which is a naturally occurring form of vitamin A, as well as essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6. Vitamin A derivatives are among the most well-studied compounds in anti-aging skincare. They work by increasing the rate of cell turnover, essentially encouraging your body to shed old damaged skin cells faster and replace them with newer, healthier ones. The omega fatty acids in rosehip oil also help strengthen the skin's lipid barrier, which becomes increasingly compromised with age. A weakened lipid barrier was one of the main reasons mature skin becomes so prone to that papery, dry, crepey texture. Reinforcing it with the fatty acids in rosehip oil, sealed in with the occlusive protection of petrolatum, is a genuinely powerful intervention that you can do every single night for pennies. Now, I want to take a moment to address something that comes up frequently when people hear about using Vaseline on their skin, and that is the concern about it being too greasy or causing breakouts. First, for the skin on your arms specifically, this is much less of a concern than it would be for facial skin. The arms have far fewer sebaceous glands. Those are the oil-producing glands associated with pores and potential congestion. Applying Vaseline to arm skin very rarely causes any kind of breakout or reaction. It is actually one of the most hypoallergenic substances known to dermatology. The American Academy of Dermatology has long recognized petrolatum as a safe and effective skin protectant. In terms of the greasiness concern, this is entirely a matter of how much you use. Remember, 1 drop. When you use only a pea-sized amount warmed between your fingertips and spread over the entire surface of your upper arm, you should not feel overly greasy. It will feel slightly tacky at first, but within a few minutes of lying still, it will feel much more like a second skin. If you are applying it before sleep, this brief tactile adjustment is a non-issue. If the greasiness still bothers you, you can apply it 45 minutes before you plan to sleep rather than right before, giving it a bit more time to fully integrate with your skin. Consistency is the word I want you to write down, highlight, and remember above everything else you hear today. Skincare is not a sprint, it is a marathon. The structural changes that cause wrinkled and sagging arm skin developed over years of time, and while the right techniques can produce noticeable improvements relatively quickly, the real transformation happens over weeks and months of consistent application. Most people who try this technique notice a visible improvement in skin texture within the first 2 weeks. The crepey, papery feel begins to soften significantly. Within 4 to 6 weeks, with consistent nightly application and the combination techniques I described, many people notice that the skin on their arms looks noticeably more plump and even toned. The deeper work, the improvements in elasticity, and the reduction of more established sagging, those changes require 3 to 6 months of commitment, and they are absolutely achievable without any expensive procedure or cream. While we are talking about arm skin health, I also want to address something that dramatically amplifies the results of any topical skincare routine, and that is exfoliation. Your skin naturally sheds dead cells on a cycle, but as you age, this process slows down. Dead skin cells accumulate on the surface, making it look dull, rough, and accentuating the appearance of lines and crepiness. If you exfoliate your arms gently once or twice a week before your nighttime Vaseline routine, you will be removing that layer of dead cells and allowing the beneficial compounds to penetrate more effectively. You do not need a fancy product for this. A simple mixture of brown sugar and coconut oil makes an excellent gentle physical exfoliant for arm skin. Massage it in gentle circular motions for about 60 seconds, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Follow this with your glycerin or aloe application and then your Vaseline seal. On the nights that you exfoliate, your results will be noticeably more dramatic because you have cleared the path for everything beneficial to reach the skin where it matters. Hydration from the inside is the other half of this equation that so many people neglect entirely. Your skin is your largest organ, and like every other organ in your body, it depends on adequate hydration to function optimally. When you are chronically underhydrated, it shows in your skin before it shows almost anywhere else. The recommendation of 8 glasses of water per day is a reasonable baseline, but for skin health specifically, electrolyte balance matters too. Adding a small pinch of high-quality sea salt or using coconut water periodically helps your body actually retain and use the water you drink rather than flushing it through too quickly. Foods rich in collagen-supporting nutrients also make a real difference. Vitamin C in citrus fruits and bell peppers is essential for your body's own collagen synthesis, and foods rich in zinc and copper like pumpkin seeds, nuts and legumes support the enzymatic processes that build and maintain collagen fibers. Caring for your arm skin from the inside and the outside simultaneously creates a compounding effect where both approaches reinforce and accelerate each other. One more thing I want you to remember before we wrap up, and that is the importance of sun protection during the daytime. All of the beautiful repair work your skin does overnight while you sleep can be undone very efficiently by unprotected sun exposure during the day. UV radiation is the single greatest extrinsic cause of premature aging. It directly degrades collagen fibers, generates enormous quantities of free radicals, and disrupts the skin's lipid barrier. If you are going to invest your time and attention into a nightly Vaseline routine, please also invest in applying a broad spectrum SPF of at least 30 to your arms on any day when they will be exposed to sunlight. This is not optional if you are serious about seeing lasting results. Think of the nighttime routine as building and sun protection during the day as protecting what you have built. Without the second step, the first step has to work much harder with far less payoff. Let me bring everything together for you now. Your arm skin sags and wrinkles because of declining collagen and elastin production, chronic moisture loss, UV damage, and the gradual breakdown of the skin's protective barrier. 1 drop of Vaseline applied to slightly damp arm skin each night before sleep creates an occlusive barrier that dramatically reduces transepidermal water loss, supports overnight cellular repair, and when combined with a humectant like glycerin, or aloe vera underneath, and antioxidant-rich additions like vitamin E or rosehip oil, becomes one of the most effective and affordable anti-aging interventions available to anyone, anywhere, at any budget. Exfoliate gently twice a week, stay well hydrated, eat foods that support collagen production, protect your skin from the sun during the day, and apply your nighttime routine with consistency and patience. That is the complete picture. If you found this information valuable and you are going to start your Vaseline nighttime routine tonight, and I genuinely hope you do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video like this one. Give this video a like if it helped you, and leave a comment below letting me know what skin or health topic you want me to cover next. Your comments directly shape what I create, and I read every single one. I will see you in the next video.